Jai Shri Mataji. Welcome to the morning meditation. Please raise our Kundalini, make a bandhan, and bow down to Shri Mataji. Mother, please come to our meditation and you lead this meditation. You are the Guru of all Gurus. Let us establish all Guru qualities inside. And let us be connected with you. Mother, please open our hearts. Let us feel your divine love. Put your both hands on Mother Earth. Shri Ganesha Mantra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Now please put your right hand on your void. Mother, please let us go beyond all illusions. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Shri Mataji Nirmalama, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Put your hand on your Sahasrara. Attention on the Sahasrara. Mother, please put your lotus feet on our Sahasrara.
त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्षप्रदायिनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। बोलो श्री भगवती माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी की जय।
It is a great pleasure for me, greatest joy, to see so many Sahajogis for the Guru Puja. It's very gratifying to think that there are so many of you who are disciples. It was never expected that I'll have so many people following me. It is being expected that you all will follow my message of love. I do not have to say anything for love. Love is absolute gift. Gift of just feeding others. There is no talking about it, discussing about it, nothing. Just you feel that love. To feel the love, I would say one has to have a heart. But how can you have a heart? It is not your own doing. It's all there. So, it is something is already gifted to you, you have it, that you can feel that love. It's so much joy-giving, peace-giving. Love has its own qualities. And one of the quality is that love understands. Its understanding is not in words, not in thought, but understands within. It can feel within, which is very important. This is the most important part. One has to realize that love, you can only feel it. You cannot talk about it. You cannot show about it. But it is within and you can feel it. And that is why today is your celebration of the Guru. It's a celebration where you can feel that love for your Guru. That feeling is within. And only in within you can feel that. So, we have to understand it's not the show. It's nothing else but just the feeling within that you know that you have love of the divine. This you can have because it is just there. No one can give you, no one can sell it, no one can share it. It's just there. And that love has to be felt and shared. It has nothing to do with others. Whether others love you or not makes no difference. It's within yourself, this feeling, this depth is there which you enjoy. It is the capacity. Everyone has this, lots of it. Sometimes you feel you have lost it, sometimes you feel you have gained it. But it is there as much as an expanse of a sea. Sea, you cannot say today is full and tomorrow is not. It is eternal. In the same way, the source of your love is eternal. You cannot measure it. It's difficult. but is beyond all your human expressions, and it shows your understanding of love, which has no words, which cannot explain, but by itself you will know that I have this quality to love within myself, and I can enjoy this love within myself. This is a very unique gift which only very few human beings have. Among animals also you find people who have love. But that love is not deep. That love has no meaning. It has some purpose, maybe, but it is not human. So it lacks the beauty of human love. It lacks the understanding of human love. It is not easy to describe or explain love in human words. This you can only feel within yourself. That is what, once you start feeling, you can feel who is your Guru. Whom do you think you are being taught and persuaded and made to live in a particular manner? All that is possible. Everything is possible, humanly possible, but to love and to enjoy love is not so easy unless and until you are immersed in it. It's very gratifying. It is very lovable to see how people love each other. And then this love spreads. Love begets love. If somebody has love, it just spreads. He need not tell anyone. He need not confess it, but it will spread. And this is what one has to learn, how to see that love in other person. Somehow we are here already in love because of Sahaj happening. We all love and we enjoy love. Shows on our faces that we are in love, in our characters, in our lives, that we are in love. What a thing which is not very normal, becomes so normal and so easily available. It is a very big blessing that you are human beings and that the source of love is there, plus the feeling for love is there. It's a very intricate situation which cannot be explained in words. Only one can be in it and enjoy it. Now today is a day when we are celebrating the Guru Puja. The greatest Guru that we have is love. Sahaj love is the Guru within us, which teaches us, which somehow or other leads us. We are led into that great line of understanding, for which we don't have to go to any college, to any school for education. It is something so much within that it works and expresses itself, expresses like a light. Such people we can make out because they are fully enlightened. They have light, and through that light they see the whole world, which is very innocent and simple for them. We have love for our children naturally. We have love for our parents naturally. We have love for some people, but that love is different from what love I am telling you. That has some connections, some meanings, but this love which cannot be described in words, has to be felt within. Same when you talk of your Guru, you should have that love within you. Why do you feel so much? The reason is Guru loves you and you love Guru. That's the only reason. Why should you love your Guru? Now there is no reason for that. Because love is love. And that is how the Guru becomes very important in life. We have people who love their Guru and are very much in chaste understanding of their love. In this great opportunity of love that we are here to enjoy each other fully from our heart. That there is this ocean within us We have to just get submerged in that ocean. If we are lost in that ocean, then we'll have no problems, no questions. Everything will be our own. And we can manage everything without any argument, without any questioning. That is what is being Sahaj. The Sahaj way, if you have this love, you enjoy. You enjoy yourself and enjoy everybody else because it is Sahaj. Don't have to make any efforts. Don't have to try anything. Just it is there and it works. The feeling of love has no way of expressing itself. It is just there. It cannot express because it is without expression. It is just to be felt within yourself. Then you want to do so many things. You want to help everyone. You want to help yourself. You want to do good to others. So much has been done by great leaders of the world because they had that love. They had nothing else but this love, which they could not contain them with themselves. So they tried to spread it. And they are called now as our Guru, as our masters. Where's the love within, which approached people in that unique manner? That's a thing that we cannot possess, you cannot claim. It is there and it works. It works automatically. This is what we have to know, that we are that love. That love is within us. We have to have knowledge. We have to have a complete knowledge that we are that love. That will solve our problem because you can explain everything, all your behavior, all your failures. Everything you can explain when you know that you are endowed with that love. This is what is the Guru, is the love within you which wants to share love with others, which wants to give love to others. This is what is peace and joy. I can go on talking on love, but to feel it within yourself is the biggest thing. Like water, if you are thirsty, we can give you water. But we cannot drink. You have to drink water and you have to feel the taste, feel the feeling, what it does. And all that is together. That's not separate. I don't think the subject was too subtle for you people. You all have reached a certain amount of understanding of that love. I hope it grows and you grow into it, all of you, and enjoy it. May God bless you.
जा जा रे अपने मंदिरवा 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 जा મંદિરમાં સુન પાવે મોરી સાસન નરિયા સુન પાવે મોરી સાસન નરિયા સુન પાવે મોરી સાસન નરિયા જા જા રે अपने મંદિરમાં જા જા રે તદિયન રે તદિયન રે તદિયન રે તદિયન તદિયન રે તદિયન રે તદિયન તદિયન રે તદિયન રે તદિયન રે તનરીમ 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 તનન તદિયન તદિયન રે તદિયન રે દિર્દિરતાનો તને દેરે ના દિર્દિરતાનો તને દેરે ના દિર્દિરતાનો તને દેરે ના
Jai Shri Mataji. Mother, thank you for this meditation. And thank you for being our teacher. We love you, Shri Mataji. Please raise our Kundalini, make a bandhan, and bow down. Today's morning meditation is over here. Lots of love to all brothers and sisters. Jai Shri Mataji.
തനന തനന